Hi everyone, this is Ibrahim Baba today from Data Tech Analytics. In this video, I'm going to show you how you will use filter for multiple criteria. So you can see we have this data which have to do with school data. You can see we have the student name, we have the university, department, and the grade each of these students has. Okay, now let's assume that I want to, okay, let me start from fresh so that I can refresh your memory on how we can make use of a filter. Let me assume that I need students of OAU alone. Our traditional method is just to go here, then you go to filter like this, then you click on filter and you come here, you deselect everything and you click on OAU. That is our traditional method before the advent of filter function in Microsoft Excel. You can see these are the guys who are students of Obafemi Awolowo University, Nigeria. As we can see it, let me unfilter it so that I can resort to my normal filter function. Okay, just click here and filter everything. Now, let's now make use of our formula to achieve this. To do this, I will just come here. Let me come here and say equal to, let's use filter function. So we can see it is filter function. Then what is array? My array is all this information. You can name your table instead of dragging all these array like this. Okay, now put comma, then what is the condition, what is the criteria we want to use now. I said we need OAU student, then I will now come to university column here. You drag it down, Control Shift Enter. Okay, now is equal to what? Is equal to OAU, then it's a string, you have to quote it and you close your parentheses. Okay, you close your parentheses. The other argument is optional. Now let me press enter button and see. You can see that I have what I had when I used traditional method. You can see that Latona Ilola, Babatunde Oyeka, and Arusola Onsolu Amsat, they are students of Obafemi Awolowo University. This is the basic. Now let's assume that I want to include OAU student, University of Ibadan, which is UI student, to this list. How are we going to do that? Now, what we need to do here is just to modify this formula, and to modify this, I will just say whenever you want to do something like this, that is, it's either Unilag or either UI or OAU. Those are the students I want in this list. Then we make use of or, and whenever we make use of or, then we actually use plus sign. But if it is and, then I'm going to also talk about that. Then we make use of multiplication sign to do that. Now, and mind you, whenever you want to combine two criteria together, you have to make use of a bracket. Okay, you have to bracket this so that we know that this one is a single element. Okay, now I will now say plus. We had plus, then I will still come here. This Unilags, this university, and we say equal what? Equal UI. You close this, and you also have to give this one its own parenthesis so that it will work well. Okay, let me also close it here. Then we press enter button. As you can see it, we have our OAU student as well as UI student here. Okay, it means that our list has increased by three. Okay, four. We have four UI students as we can see it. Okay, now what else can we still do here? Let's assume that all these students we have here, you can see that we have finance, we have economics, law, medicine, and accounting. Let's now assume that those guys we need here are just let's say economics and accounting. Let's say I need only economics and accounting students here. How are we going to achieve that? Okay, what we need to do here is just to modify my formula here. You come here, let me modify my formula, and you see, it means that economics and what? Economics and accounting, and by implication I'm going to do the same thing here, but here now you can see that it is two must condition now. They must be OAU, they must be UI, OAU or UI, and they must come from economics or accounting department. To achieve this now, what I will do is just to take this one as a single entity, these two guys. You do this, you have to give them parentheses to see them as a single entity like this. Now, I will now say and another option. Then here I'm going to introduce multiplication, and you also open your parentheses here. And what I need here is economics. Okay, I'll come to department, control shift down is equal to economics, economics. Okay, you close your parentheses like this. Now we also come here. I'll come here. I will say because this is or, then I told you that whenever it is or something, then we make use of what? That is plus. Okay, I will also open my parentheses here, and I will also come to department as well. Is equal to what? Department is equal to accounting. As we can see it, I also close this string with quotation. You close this, then you can see that these are also an entity, because if I don't give them a single bracket, if I don't put a single bracket, you will see that I'm going to make something out. Let me firstly close this bracket. Okay, then let me press enter button. You can see that you said that you have entered field argument. Okay, as we can see it said that I've entered field argument. As a result of that, I have to also come here and give this its own parenthesis so that you can see it as a single entity. As we can see it, let me press enter now. Oh, what is the problem? Okay, I'm putting a particular comma here. That is a mistake. Okay, I don't need any comma here. This is not where I need my comma. I need my comma here, as we can see it. Okay, after the array or this, then let me press enter button. You can see that I have it now. But if you look at this, if you look at what I have here now, it does not show me accounting, as we can see it. And why it does not show me accounting? Let's say, is there any issue? Accounting. Okay, you can see that I wrote my accounting with single C here. Okay, that is why it does not return it. Let me rewrite it. Accounting is double C. Let me put another C. Let me press enter. You can see that it has worked well now, and that is how all these array function usually work. You can see that it is automated. Okay, you can see that I have them now, and I have 4 students, 3 from OAU and a student from University of Ibadan. Now, let us assume that I only need I don't need, let's say I don't need their school and department again. What I need here is just their name as well as their grade. Okay, that is what I need now. The names and the grade. How am I going to achieve this? It's something that you can make use of choose column. Okay, let me choose course. Okay, choose course. Then you see all this as a single entity like this. You put comma. Okay, then what is my array? That is my array actually, all this function I have there already. Now, what column do I need? Then I need first column, which is column 1. And if you look at this, my percent result, the grade is in column 4. Then I put 4 there. You close it with your parentheses, you press enter. As you can see that I have their grade now with their name. I've removed their school. Okay, all this is just an assumption. It depends on what you want to achieve. Now, let's say that they want to give these guys scholarship. They want to give them scholarship. I want to arrange this their CGPA. Okay, so that I will know which guy is the first, which one is the second. Okay, to do that, I'm going to make use of sort function. Sort function. Okay, Then I will include sort function here, sort, okay. All this information I have already here, then you put comma here. Then what is my sort index? My sort index is the second column from this present result I have, okay, which is create. I put 2, then comma. How am I going to sort them? Is it from smallest or to largest, or the largest? I want it from the largest, which is descending order, and that is -1. Okay, then I close my parenthesis and I press enter button. You can see that I have them now already arranged in descending order. It means that Laton Eniyilola has the highest CGPA, followed by Awosolu Hamzat. Now let's now assume that the school board want to give two of these guys scholarship, and they want to use their CGPA to bring them out. How are we going to extract these two guys? Okay, then there's another function in Excel which is very essential for this task, and we call it take. Okay, I will make use of take function. Okay, I will come here and then put take. Okay, based on this present result, you put comma here which will serve as my array. Okay, now what is the rows? How many rows do I need? I need only 2 rows, okay, which is first two guys. Then you put 2 there and you close your parenthesis and you press enter button. As we can see it, these are the guys who will get the scholarship to study maybe abroad or even here in Nigeria. Microsoft Excel is very interesting. Once you know how you can nested your formula, and you know how these functions are working, okay, then you can use it to achieve anything, to make any decision. I believe you have understood what we taught in this video. If you do so and you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, and therefore to do so, so that immediately we release new content, then you will have access to it. Till next time we meet, Ime Ibrahim Babatunde for Data Tech Analytics. Bye for now.